In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Sparkline function in Google Sheets. To get started, open Google Sheets and go to the spreadsheet where you want to create your mini chart. The Sparkline function is a really useful feature because it lets you display a small chart directly inside a single cell. This is perfect when you want to quickly visualize data without inserting a full-size chart into your sheet. It helps make your spreadsheet cleaner, more compact, and easier to read at a glance. Once your sheet is open, you may already see a chart or sample data on the screen. That chart gives you an idea of how visual summaries can help you understand information more quickly. But with Sparkline, instead of creating a separate chart object, you can generate a tiny in-cell chart using a simple formula. Next, click on an empty cell where you want the Sparkline to appear. This is the cell that will display the visual result. After selecting the empty cell, type the formula equals Sparkline. Open parenthesis, A1 through E1, and then close the parenthesis. In written form, that is equals to Sparkline. A1, E1 when you press enter. Google Sheets will create a Sparkline based on the values in cells A1 through E1. By default, this usually appears as a small line chart. It gives you a quick visual trend of the data across that range, which is especially helpful for spotting increases, decreases, or patterns without needing a large chart. If you want to change the appearance of the Sparkline, you can customize the chart type. Click another empty cell or reuse the same idea in a different spot. And enter this formula, is equals to Sparkline, A1, E1. After pressing enter, the Sparkline will display as a column chart instead of a line chart. A column chart represents each data point as a vertical bar, making it easier to compare individual values side by side. This style is useful when you want to emphasize the size of each value rather than the overall trend. As a quick tip, make sure the range you reference actually contains numeric data. Otherwise, the Sparkline may not display correctly. Also, using an empty cell with enough room around it can make the result easier to notice while you work. That's how to use the Sparkline function in Google Sheets to create simple line and column charts right inside your cells. Thanks for watching.